The Tech Hub is back, unveiling an array of exciting updates that have the tech world buzzing with anticipation. This week, rumors about Apple's upcoming hardware have taken center stage, hinting at new innovations in their product lines, including the iPhone 17 and the next generation of iPhone SE. Among the most electrifying leaks is the possibility of the iPhone 17 Air, an ultra-thin device rumored to measure a mere 5.5 millimeters in thickness. Such design whispers suggest it may rival the contemporary design language found in the sleek 13-inch iPad Pro, which itself flaunts a slim 5.1 millimeters profile. Supporting this anticipation, an alleged photo surfaced showing a horizontal bar possibly marking a design novelty for a single-camera iPhone, adding a layer of speculation to the mix. On the software front, iOS 18.3 is poised for its public release, likely bringing enhancements to Apple's visual intelligence features, fine-tuned notifications, and more intuitive experiences for current models. This update might be a stepping stone to the anticipated iOS 19, which hints at a visionary redesign of the camera app inspired by visionOS. The new translucent menus for camera control could offer a fresh interface, echoing the sophisticated design seen on the Apple Vision Pro headset. Intrigue also surrounds the iPhone SE 4, with conflicting reports on whether it will adopt a dynamic island design. Noted leaker Evan Blass casts further doubt by identifying Apple's next budget phone as the iPhone SE, 4th gen in leaked code, setting the scene for a suspenseful reveal. As fans await these developments, Apple enthusiasts are also looking forward to the imminent announcement of the Powerbeats Pro 2. With regulatory filings and media briefings hinting at a near-term launch, the next installment in Apple's lineup of wireless earbuds promises to deliver an evolved auditory experience. These stories are just the tip of the iceberg, offering a glimpse into a year speculative yet promising for Apple's innovation in hardware and software. Stay engaged as the Tech Hub continues to track these evolving narratives. If you wish to read more about these and other captivating Apple stories, remember to subscribe to our newsletter for weekly updates delivered directly to your inbox.